Yo, what is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to play I Want It That Way by the Backstreet Boys. And before we get started, I just want to let you guys know, if you guys requested a tutorial or a song for me to play, just know I haven't forgotten about it. I will get to that eventually. It's been pretty busy at work since it's the holiday season, so, mandatory overtime, stuff like that. So on my days off, I just have less days to do videos, so just letting you know I will get to that, and yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so let's get into the very, very famous opening guitar riff. So let's also note that I have the capo on the first fret, but feel free to rearrange that for whatever octave you feel most comfortable with. So I started off with the E minor chord. So when you're plucking it, start off with the bass E, then you're gonna go to the A string, the B string, and then the G string. So it's gonna sound like, okay? And then you're gonna hit the D string before you're gonna go down here with your pointer finger where the first fret on the B string. Then you're gonna do a pull off from there. After you do that pull off, you're gonna hit the G string one more time before you change chords. Go to the C chord fingering. So that was the A string, the D string, and then the B string. And you're gonna kind of do like the top two fingers for the G chord, and then with I use my pinky finger to go down to the B string on the third fret. It's gonna sound like this. If you can make it so that you could not use your pinky finger, you can try that, but I just use that because you're using the same two fingers for the C chord. So when you switch to that G chord, you're gonna hit the top three chords, then you're gonna hit the B string on the third fret, and then you're gonna hit the G string at the end before going back to the beginning. Try from the very beginning now. Okay. And then you're gonna go back to the top. And instead of playing that whole G chord sequence, you just hit the third fret E string to finish it off. So this is the whole intro all together. Alright, and then this is where it gets easier. So this is what the verses look like. So basically you're just going to be playing the E minor chord, C chord, and then the G chord. Play that around 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when it goes, I want it that way. So it's gonna go E minor, D, G. So that's the only change in the verse. That's only for right before you get into the chorus. So basically you're just gonna play the C chord, D chord, G, and And then you're gonna play that 3 times around, and then just like the end of the verse, E minor, D, G. At the end of the verse, right before the bridge, I want it that way. The ending of that verse is gonna go E minor and then into a B chord. That's what's different about the end of the second chorus. And then this is how the bridge is gonna go. Then I guess it's just the end of the bridge. It's similar to what you play in the chorus. But you might want to just play it like that or play it softer because it's like a build up into the final chorus. So, you are my fire, the one desire you are. You are. And then this is the part where you're gonna do that little plucking thing. So what I did was I hit the D string, and then I did a hammer on. So on the 2nd fret, hit the G string. Then you're gonna do a slide from that second fret to the 4th. And then you're just gonna hit the 2nd fret again. And then you basically just go into the chorus from there. And that's basically all you're playing for the rest of the song. So yeah, there you have it. So I think I covered everything on that one. Yeah, have fun with that. Let me know how I did down in the comments, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.